Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I am going to take you all in an area of my garden that I have never taken anybody. This place is my catch-all place. It's where I put everything that I think I may need again one day. So I just have it all there, and today is the day that I'm getting it all cleaned up. So I just wanted to take you with me and show you this process. Okay, this is a shed my husband built when my boys were very small, and it was supposed to be a clubhouse, but of course they were too scared to go in it. I use it now for the lawnmower and all the other machines that we use for the garden. And over on the side, this is my dumping area. I have chicken wire, tomato cages, loads of leaves, an umbrella stand. I don't have an umbrella anymore, so I don't need to keep that. I have T-posts. I have all types of things. So basically I am trying to I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some shelving over here, and I'm also going to put my sticks and all the other things. I got some bamboo sticks under all those leaves. I'm going to just clean it up. So this is my before. Step 1, removing everything. All right, I am done picking up all the debris that was in here. I have all of this to go through, but I have a tree company just was taking care of a tree across the street, and I asked for them to give me, please, some of the wood chips, and they gave me a load of it. That is the pile dumped off, so I'm getting ready to put that in my wheelbarrow, put some down here and my catch-all area. But I have been using the greenhouse for storage. All of this was in there. So I plan on putting this up and use it for something. I'm not sure yet. A lot of these pots will go over there in the catch-all area on the shelving unit, and some things I will just have to give away that I know I won't be using. This is what the greenhouse is looking like now. I have the tables free for seedlings and elephant ears and all that good stuff. And my summer plants, I will be putting them in here when I go and purchase them, late spring. So yeah, everything is looking pretty good. I want to put this up on the wall here. And I have little things like tags, Osmocote, my Espoma Biotone starter fertilizer, this that they don't make anymore. Just little things. I want to put my gloves in here. It's an onion jar, but I don't use it for that anymore. And this has yarn inside. My saucers, my labels, tags, and all those types of things. And these will go out when the summer hits. So yeah, everything looks pretty good. I got some soil in those buckets down there. Some things that need to be hung outdoors. A tarp down there. I have this easy tunnel I haven't used yet. And I have my grow bags. I have 5 of them, I think. Very good deal on Facebook Marketplace. But anyway, everything is ready for my seedlings. This is where I left off with this catch-all area. Now I have pots in here. I have, I was going to put my sticks and T-post in that blue container. It does have holes in the bottom, but I did not like how tall it was hanging from the top, so I put all of those along this wall. I have my arbors right here, some tomato cages there, and basically these are all, not all, but these are most of my plastic containers that I wanted to keep. The plastic shelving I really, really like because it will not rust. It will get dirty, and that's okay. It should out here in the elements, but it won't rust or any of that stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it looks. This was a dumping ground, and I did put the tree shavings on the bottom in a thick layer. So I think it looks pretty good. I'm happy to have it done.